All right, my good friends. So here we're gonna just take a look on how we can register. So first of all, we just click on the link that the person that is inviting you to this project is gonna send you. So if you don't have any link yet, you're gonna go ahead and take a look on the description of this video. You're gonna find one. Okay. So once you are in here, what you gotta do is just click here and register. All right. And then you're gonna be taken to this other page. All right, if you don't have any sponsor, you can use mine, all right, which is America Team. It would be a pleasure to be serving you. Okay, you place your your country, all right, your email, of course, your phone number, and the password. All right, register now, and then you'll be able to join in the community. Basically, just click and log in now. Once you are registered, of course, once you are inside the back office, well, in order for you to start your profits, right, you come here to Robot Profit and click on Start Robot Profit. Okay, you're going to be taken to the place where you select the package you want to start with. Okay, so if you want to start with $100, you just click here in Buy Now. All right, and then you're going to be taken to this system, to this place, and then you set right here, select the payment. You're going to select direct payment since it's the first time. Click in Buy Now, and that's it. All right, just click on Submit once again. Oh, I'm sorry. Here you gotta just select the crypto you want to use. Okay, if you select USDT, um, with the TRC20, that's great. You just select that one, and you're gonna be taken to the next spot where you can see the address. Okay, but if you want to use another crypto, you select in crypto. You can also use a bank transfer. All right, so you can use fiat money. Okay, in this selection, which is easier for a lot of people, since a lot of people just nowadays know how to deal with USDT TRC20. Let's click on that one, and you see right there, it's giving us actually the charge is giving you a charge of $202 and 50 cents per $100. Okay, for 100. So just click and submit. Just make sure you have this extra amount. Okay, and here we go. So you see here, right here, the exact amount that you need to send to the company. You can just scan this QR code out of your phone if you have a wallet in your phone. Okay, installed, so which is easier and it's quicker instantly. Okay, so once you send the payment, you're gonna get a notification saying that you have purchased one of those packets. Okay, so if you have any other questions, just let us know. We'll be here for you. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.